All right, materials needed: some light gray microfibers for the tails, some rusty dubbing for the body, and some white poly for the wing. These are those microfibers, basically just paintbrush hairs, but these are very small. I like to put 3 on my spinners, put them on there and splay them out good. Okie dokie. Okay, wrapped down. Now we're going to go up to the front of the hook and tie in the wings. And these wings are just a piece of poly. You can use all different sorts of things for this. This is the old way of doing it. Works for me, but I always put on more wing than I need. You tie it on here, and what you want to do is figure 8 it. Keep it right up on top of the hook. Get it bound down snug. Now what I'll do is I'll hold up my wings, take the scissors, clip them to about the length I want, and then they'll sit down there real nice. Now we're going to make the body, and we're just putting some rust colored dubbing on here. And now we're just going to make a nice thin body. Let's make some wraps right around there. Cover up all that black thread. Okay, take our whip finisher, make our head. Alright, there you go. That's the Rusty Spinner.